This season saw a number of brilliant rookies enter the NBA. But one player in particular captured the imagination and attention of fans throughout the country. His high-flying acrobatics and infectious enthusiasm helped lead his team into the playoffs for the first time in 4 years, and was one of the major reasons that nearly doubled the Chicago Bulls' attendance.
On behalf of Miller Brewing Association, I'm very happy to receive the award. Although I think my year was very, very experimental for me, I'm very happy that I achieved so much, and hopefully next year will be more promising. If not, then maybe I'll retire after 2 years. Thanks a lot, very much.
What's happening, everybody? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Rookie of the Year colorway. These dropped this past Saturday, November 17th, for $160 US or $215 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Golden Harvest, Black, and Sail. Here in Toronto, these were available at select boutiques such as Livestock and Capsule, and they were also available pretty much at most of the major Foot Locker locations. So for me, I entered a bunch of raffles throughout the city, and safe to say, I landed my pair. So these Jordan 1s, as the nickname suggests, is paying homage to Michael Jordan's Rookie of the Year campaign. Specifically, the color of this shoe is supposed to mimic the color of the shirt that Michael Jordan was wearing during his acceptance speech for the Rookie of the Year award. Taking a closer look at these shoes, so these are constructed using a combination of full grain leather and suede. As you take a look at the toe box, you can see we have the signature perforations found throughout, and then this is constructed using a very soft, very tumbled sail colored leather. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, we have this very soft Golden Harvest or tan colored suede. If we take a look at the sides of the shoe on the mid panel, once again we have that sail colored tumbled leather. Stitched on top of this, we have this black Nike swoosh, and if you take a very close look, you'll see that the swoosh itself is also constructed using a very tumbled black leather. You'll see we have more of that Golden Harvest suede found on the ankle collar area, as well as on the very back heel as well. Near the top of the shoe on the lateral side only, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo debossed directly into the suede. Wrapping around the top of the shoe where the ankle collar area is, this is also constructed using a very tumbled black leather. The major difference between these Rookie of the Years compared to your standard Jordan 1s is that these side flaps, which are typically stitched onto the body of the shoe, in this case are unstitched. So on one flap, as you open it up, it has a quote from Michael Jordan, and then on the other flap we have 1984-85, which is Michael Jordan's rookie year in the NBA. This is followed by ROY, which stands for Rookie of the Year, and then we have some stats, so the total points that Jordan scored in the year, along with his scoring average, which was 28.2 points per game. The tongue in this case is your standard Jordan 1 tongue, which is a padded nylon tongue. This is colored in sail, and then at the top, instead of your standard nylon tag, here we have this black leather tag with the Nike Air branding in red. The laces in this case are just your standard flat laces in black, but they also come with a secondary pair of red laces if you want some added pop with the shoe. So the inner liner of these Rookie of the Years is constructed using this black textile, and then taking a look at the insoles, so these are just your standard Jordan insoles. The top is colored in this Golden Harvest color, and then on the heel we have the Nike Air logo in black. So the upper of these Rookie of the Year Jordan 1s sits atop the sail colored foam midsole. Encapsulated underneath the heel, we do have a Nike Air sole unit, and then turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole. This is entirely constructed out of black rubber, and we have this Nike branding right in the middle. From a sizing standpoint, so these fit the same to me as all my other Air Jordan 1s, so in my case, I got these in a size 10.5. If you haven't worn Jordan 1s before, for most people that means sticking true to size, and if you have worn Jordan 1s before, I'd recommend just sticking with your normal Jordan 1 size. Comfort wise, so nothing special here, these fit and feel exactly like all my other Air Jordan 1s, and the rest of the midsole itself feels pretty stiff, but with that said, this is going to be adequate for just an everyday casual shoe. Quality wise, if you haven't noticed by now, the materials used to construct these Rookie of the Years is definitely top notch. Everything ranging from the very soft buttery suede to the tumbled leather on the toe box and the mid panels. The materials on these feel very nice, and I have zero complaints with the construction of my pair. So now let me lace up these Rookie of the Year Jordan 1s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Despite the Air Jordan 1 being such an iconic silhouette, to be honest, I haven't really seen a Jordan 1 in the same color scheme before. This color blocking of tan, off-white, and black really goes together and is perfect for fall, and it doesn't hurt that the color scheme was inspired by an early landmark in Michael Jordan's NBA career. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s. If you guys like this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. And be sure to give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.